Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do this soft pink and glitter makeup look, and to be completely honest, my intention was to recreate a makeup look from Kristen Dominique. She did a review on the Tarte Beauty Blendiful sponge, and the makeup she wore in that video is so beautiful, so pretty. So I wanted to recreate that makeup look in today's video, and honestly it turned out a little bit different. It's kind of similar but it's not identical, so it is what it is. It's still cute, still pretty, but mine is a little bit more pink. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start with concealer, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And also I'm going to use the sponge that I got in the February Look Fantastic box. But first I'm going to wet this. So this is the Brush Works sponge. Okay, so it did got a little bit bigger, but I don't think I'm gonna like this because it's so hard. It's not squishy at all. I do like my Real Technique sponges, as I said. Look at this. I'm not even pressing that hard. So this one is, I don't know, too hard for my liking, but we will see. So as I said, I'm going to go with concealer. Oh yeah, so I don't think I'm going to like this sponge, but I'm going to use it in today's video. As I said, it's not squishy at all, and I think this soaked the majority of the product, so I'm going to apply just a little bit more. The makeup she had in that video, it's very simple but yet so pretty, so girly. And I think this is more like an, oh my god, I hope you guys heard. Wow, I totally forgot about my mic. I hope you heard what I was saying. I think this is more like an everyday type of makeup look because it's so simple, so easy to achieve, and because it has glitters, that makes it look a little bit more special. If you don't want to apply glitters, it's totally up to you. I'm going to apply glitters because I love how it looks, and also I learned my lesson when I did my review. I said that the glitters are very messy, so I'm going to do my eyes first and then I'm going to do my face makeup because the glitters in this eyeshadow are insanely messy. So I'm going to start with Strawberry Milk. It's the pinky shade, this one right here, okay? And I'm going to apply that in my crease. So I looked on Kristen Instagram and she didn't post any picture with this makeup look I'm going to do today. So I only have the video for reference. I'm going to bring this very close to my eyebrow, and also I'm going to make sure I blend this very well. Okay, that was easy and it looks so nice. I really like this color. Next I'm going to take a smaller brush, a more dense brush, and I'm going to build this color but in my crease. Like I'm going to make it a little bit darker. So I'm taking this type of brush, is a little bit more dense, and by doing this I'm just enhancing my crease, or my faked crease, because you can see where my crease is, like right here. So I like to go a little bit higher because I have small eyes and faking a crease helps a lot with opening my eye. So that's why I do my cut creases so high, and also I go with the darker shades a little bit higher from where my natural crease is, because that helps to open the eye, to make it look a little bit more open, more big. So that's a trick I learned by playing with makeup, obviously, and knowing my features. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, that's a good trick to make your eyes appear more open, more big. You just have to fake a crease. Okay, that was very easy and fast. I'm going to blend just a little bit more to make sure this looks nice. So as I said, I don't know exactly if she has something under the glitter, but it looks pretty white-ish to me. So she either may have a little bit of frothy or a little bit of café con leche. I'm going to watch her video again to make sure, but I think I'm going to go with café con leche. I don't know. So this makeup is not exactly like the one she's wearing because I already failed. I applied way too much of the strawberry milk. I don't know what to say. I'm going to insert the picture right here, but this is the screenshot, and I'm going to go with it. Okay, I'm going to go with café con leche, and I'm going to apply that right here, and maybe that will help to brighten a little bit the situation. So with a flat brush, I'm going to take café con leche. Okay, and I'm going to apply it right here. Okay, not bad actually. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of frothy and I'm going to apply that closer to my lash line. Okay, is this vanilla eyeshadow, and I'm going to focus this closer to the lash line. These two matte shades don't want to stick, like right here, and I had concealer there. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but it doesn't look bad. Okay, I'm going to start applying this with a brush, and if it doesn't look good, I'm going to use my finger. This is such a beautiful color, but it's so glittery, and as I said, the glitters are super messy. Alright, let's see. Should I wet this? Yeah, I think I should wet. The glitters won't stick because I do have a matte shade. So I'm going to wet the brush with wherever spray you have. Okay. It doesn't really work with the brush, as we can see, like it's barely there. So I'm going to go with my finger. Look at that. Oh wow. This is beautiful. I'm going to take again this brush and blend a little bit. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for the eyeshadows. I'm going to do a wing liner. She has a wing liner, as we can see, and you can totally skip the glitter and the wing liner if you want to make this a little bit more wearable for a daily makeup look. But I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to try to recreate her makeup. So I'm going to use the Revolution Pro or Makeup Revolution, I don't know exactly. This is the Renaissance Flick eyeliner, I think so, and I'm going to create some wings. I think she did her wings with eyeshadow because this is way too black, way too harsh. So if I'm looking closer, yeah, I think she used I think she used an eyeshadow to do her wings. So my bad. Okay, mission abort. I think I'm going to use coffee beans to do the wing liner. Okay, so forget about the liquid liner. I'm going to try to cover this with the coffee beans shade, and I hope it works. I don't know. Did a full 180, crazy. So I forgot to say, but I'm using a small angled brush. Okay, you can still see the black liner under this. Yeah, I have so much fallout from the glitter and also from this brown eyeshadow. It's all fucking okay. Alright, so I think so far we are good. I'm looking at her picture, at the screenshot, and it looks like she has more glitter going on. So I think I'm going to apply something else on top. I'm going to take a little bit of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Kitty Karma, and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. It's so beautiful though. Wow, that's enough glitter, right? I'm going to take again this brush and blend a little bit more. Alright, next I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to do the same on my other eye. Also, I'm going to apply foundation and concealer, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I don't like the sponge at all. I end up using my trusty one, and I did apply the lashes. Also, I did my foundation and concealer, and I set my concealer only with some translucent powder. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Hoola bronzer, and also I noticed that she doesn't have anything on the lower lashes. I'm just going to apply some mascara. So I'm going to bronze a little bit my face, and I think the lashes are a little bit too dramatic for this makeup look because it's so girly, so pretty, and the lashes are like boom in your face. But she does have some dramatic lashes as well, so it's okay, it's okay. Next, I'm going to use the Prisma Glow, also from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the Skin Gloss. I'm going to use my finger, and I want to apply this before I go with the blush, because I kind of want the blush to stick on this. It's been a hot minute since I used this. I forgot how much I love it. And for blush, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush, and I'm going to apply it with a fluffy brush. Also, it doesn't look like she has any shimmers in the inner corners. I'm going to apply a little bit of the Soul Body. This is in the shade Rosé. And I did try this on my face. It doesn't look good. It has a lot of glitter in it, and I'm not about that life. I will apply a little bit on my collarbones, but on the face is a no-no for me. This is so hard to open, like this packaging. I don't know. I love how it smells. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but on the face it looks not cute because it has huge chunks of glitter, and I hope I don't get this all over my face. So I'm just going to highlight the inner corners. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with the BFF lip liner. Alright, so here I have two colors, and I don't know which one to use. I like both colors. I have the Rise and Shine, and this is the Give Me S'more. I think I'm going to go with, I don't know, Rise and Shine. Wow, it smells like peaches. It feels so buttery. It smells so delicious. I wanna eat this. I don't think it goes very well, this peachy color with the pink on my eyes. I think I should have used this one instead, right? Alright, I'm going to apply the Give Me S'more. I sprayed a little bit of this on my face and it got in my hair, and oh my god, now my hair is so sticky, greasy. I think this has some oil in it. I don't know exactly. On my face it feels okay, but on my hair, and I try to avoid to get that in my hair, but yeah, it is what it is. Oh, I forgot, I said I want to apply a little bit of this highlight on my collarbones to see how it looks. Oh wow, I can open this. Like, the packaging is not very well made because I struggle a lot to open this. I'm going to apply this with my finger, why not? Wow, I think that's a little bit too dark for my skin tone. Yeah, it's too dark for me, you can see it there. But it's cute, like for the summertime when I get a little bit of tan. That's it, you guys. Oh my god, I hate this lipstick on me, like this color right now. And also why my face looks darker than my neck in my viewfinder is not darker than my neck. My neck is so white in my viewfinder. What the heck is going on? Oh Jesus, like I hate when this happens. I swear to you, my neck is not, like, it's almost the same color as my face. I think it's because of the lighting. Anyway, so this is the makeup look that I created today. It's very similar to Kristen's makeup. It's not identical, obviously. This is more like me version, and I hope you guys like it too. I like the lip gloss better than the other two options, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.